What? Hold a chicken wing?
No, I might eat that.
Hold a chicken wing?
No, I might eat that.
Yeah, but somebody might want to eat it too.
It's cold, Lucy.
She'll take it away without sharing you. And then what would you say to her?
Who's a bastard?
A bastard's for man. Bastard is what you call men.
Cause I always call bastard.
Okay, bastard.
I might call women bastards.
Some of them.
You got a question?
What?
Is it rolling?
Yes, it's broken.
Okay.
And it's been recording now. the entire time. Say bastards. Hashtag the keyword for day is bastard. We're like Sesame Street. We teach people how to say words.
Bastard. Bitch. Fuck.
Anyway, quit talking about Justin Bieber that way. Another name for Justin Bieber.
A bastard.
And a bitch. And not talented. Right? Lucy? Right?
She's chemistry.
No, she's not. She's just looking for squirrels. It's like this. Squirrel! Squirrel! Go get the squirrel! See?
Okay. We were talking about what?
Well, we're going to talk about WCW.
Okay.
And ECW.
Okay.
And WWE. Oh, that's gross. That's gross. We might talk about...
Sorry. I think that was the last one. Yep, that was the last one.
No, it's not. There will be plenty more burps and farts on this show. Like one right now. Oh. Anyway, oh man, damn. What was I about to say?
We was talking about some Western promotions.
God damn. Woohoo.
Hey, if you cannot smell it, don't cut it.
Otherwise, if you can't stand it, don't let it.
Oh, shut up.
Would you stop? I'm like you're burping. I'm farting. Oh man, I think that kind of squealed. No, I did not shit my pants either. It kind of sounded like a squirrel. That was funny.
Shoot, listen about it was about to turn.
I said it squealed like a squirrel, and she looked.
That was at the right time, at the right moment.
Yeah, it was. Thank God it was recorded.
Now, what we was going... Good God!
I might just see you farting all day.
Can we please talk about something else? Besides fart
And burping. And squirrels. I think we have to redo this over again.